I'm Adriana and welcome to Toy Room Adventures. Today we have a squishy thing that I'll be reviewing, and it is this Play-Doh Plus. And I have a little friend joining us. So I have this little friend here. It doesn't have a name, so in the comments let me know what I should name him. Next video, I'll tell you the best name I heard of, okay? So, I'm just going to take him up. So, here is the Play-Doh Plus. Play-Doh Plus is like Play-Doh, just squishier. Here's the front of the box, and here's the back. Now, so many people do like reviews, and it takes a whole time, so I'm just going to open it up. Open this up through the side, and we're just going to take it out here like this. Here. So now I just need to take this off. Never in my life played with Play-Doh Plus. Heard of it? But never put it right there. So here are the colors or shades that we got. So we have orange. We have white, which is a shade. This kind of like a sky blue, I guess. This purple. This really bright pink. This light blue. This green. And yellow. So let's start opening all of these, and I'm going to start with orange because some people's favorite colors are orange. Two kids at school, their favorite color is orange. So it's a lot tinier than Play-Doh because you don't need a lot of it. Yeah, this is really, really squishy. It's like oily. It's like stuck to my hands, but it's not. Please, how many cans of Play-Doh do you have? And would you want to play with Play-Doh Plus or Play-Doh? If you could only choose one. I just really, really want to know. I don't know why. Okay. Creations, here they are. Remember, if you like my Play-Doh Plus creations, or if you also liked this video, then Tell me in the comments if you want me to keep making these and even make tutorials. And tell me what you want to see next in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in next week's video. Bye for now. This is my bunny. This is my flower. This is my teddy bear, and those are the buttons. This is my pig. This is my blue cupcake for the pig to eat. Here's my Minecraft duck. Because if you want to see Minecraft, and I know a lot of people do like Minecraft, or if you want to see any video games, remember I can review them too. That whoever is watching this enjoyed my video, and I hope I'll see you next time. Smell it, it will smell like icing.